Hello all, and welcome back to another episode of Lish the Baker. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make homemade buttermilk biscuits, and there's a little clip of how to make homemade sausage gravy as well, so that you can make your very own biscuits and gravy. Biscuits and gravy is one of my personal favorite breakfasts. This recipe is shockingly easy. It really doesn't take a ton of effort, and your friends or family are going to be very impressed that you made your own homemade biscuits instead of those ones from the little poppy tin. If you're looking for a more professional look, you can always use a circular cookie cutter to make your biscuits round. I personally prefer just to cut them out in a rectangular shape because that way I don't waste any dough. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and as always, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the little bell icon so you get notified every time I post a new video. Leave a comment down below. What would you like to see me bake next? Bye!